Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. Well, this week, I'm going to be frank with you, it's a video that I'm not the owner of. I think it's the first one in which I do a recipe my wife owns in a way. So she's the one doing it because, you know, I'm a meat eater. So there's some things that I eat without meat, but very few and sparse of them. But I think the thing I eat that I love the most was the Tunisian sauce that I showed you a couple of weeks ago. That's something that I like, but especially at lunch, not dinner. So anyway guys, to each his own. So this time I'm going to do a recipe without meat, like I said. It's going to be a vegetable rice. You're going to see it's great. There's a lot of ingredients, but mixed together, you won't believe it. It's crazy how good it is. Even me, I like it. So it's not so bad with the steak on the side. That would be best. So anyway, guys, let's go at it. And of course, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.